Hi, Roger at Wuthering Heights. Just looking at the latest weather pattern across the country. A big, large ridge of higher pressure across the western interior sections there. A trough of low pressure off to our west across the west coast, bringing in a little precipitation just north and west of San Francisco up into the Pacific Northwest coastal region. And more importantly, this is a storm system. We're going to be taking a good look at it. But way ahead of things, well, we're looking at another little ridge of higher pressure and control right here with some decent sunshine this morning for Halloween Day. Halloween Eve looks like it'll be no issues for trick-or-treaters. The interesting thing right now is this weather system here. We're going to zoom in on that just a little bit. And of note, the strong winds starting to show up. Looking at winds as high as 55 miles per hour in a few locations. These stronger winds and the tighter pressure gradient from an area of low pressure across Michigan. This is going to hook up with another area of low pressure over here in portions of the southeastern Carolinas, just off the coast, the typical breeding grounds for strong nor'easters that do develop. And the current conditions right now showing up here in Vermont, pretty clear and rather nice. In terms of temperatures, you can also see that temperature is a lot warmer here in near the East Coast than what we're looking at in terms of temperatures upstream. And right here, this is some of the cooler temperatures. You can see this system fairly strong with the gusty winds, as well as temperatures in the 30s, producing some snow across northern Wisconsin, parts of Minnesota. This coming out and off the Great Lakes, mainly Lake Superior. So lake effect and a few inches of snow being reported. Uh, some areas reporting as much as 8 inches, for example, in some parts of eastern Wisconsin. Well, looking at the drone flight this morning, here's how things are in Vermont. It's pretty nice actually, very picturesque, despite the fact that we're in full stick season. And this is looking at the Worcester Mountain Range above my location here at Wuthering Heights, and just a beautiful day in progress across the region. What we're going to see is really no real issues except for some clouds building up over the mountains. You can see some of this action here, and these clouds will be overtaking a lot of our region during the day. So later on for trick-or-treaters, it may look a little threatening, but nothing to report in terms of precipitation. Now later on this weekend, we are looking at a little bit of snow that will be falling, and probably somewhere between a dusting and about an inch of snow across the northern highlands of Vermont, especially into the Northeast Kingdom, along the spine of the Green Mountains as well. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights Consulting.